Hi guys, this is just another quick video showing you when your soil is really happy and you're doing the right things, you start to see things that give you clues to let you know. And I'm just going to show you quickly. So as you can see all these new squash are popping up all over the place as I planted them before. But also what I wanted to show you was that we've got some mushrooms here as well. So this means that there's a there's a web underneath the soil. So that means that everything's being fed through the fungi. So this is an autopilot basically. So all I have to do is feed the soil with basically compost or broken down plant matter, and then the microbes will eat it and feed the roots. And that's what that's telling me. It's saying, hi, we're all happy down here, don't worry, leave it all to us and we'll do it. So if this is the case, it does look like it's a mess, but it's actually a working, feeding itself garden. If you want to learn how to do this, press subscribe, like and share with other people that are gardening and want to learn different ways of gardening, because this is actually working. I'll speak to you later guys.